Well, that certainly dates the video. Konnichiwa. And welcome to Gaijin no Nihon Densha A. So, we start with this. This is one of the gifts I'm about to show you that I received very kindly from my friend Joel and his family. A belated Christmas present. Has not had the chance to see him since just before Christmas and now. So, yeah, it's very, very kind. Very, very kind of them. So there are some of the bits. Let's have a look at them, shall we? This is the easiest place to look at them. So first up, we have another pack of cherry trees. Cherry blossoms. So they'll definitely be useful on the layout. Well, all this will be useful on the layout in some way, shape or form. So we have those. Seem to be depositing themselves there. But they always do that. The ones I've got did that. That's why I tried to put glue on some of them. But yeah, very nice those. They should really help with the tree situation. I must get around to ordering some more trees as it is. Then we have some packs of these. These are little flower beds. Little flowers. They're usually flower beds, I suppose. This one. You've got yellow. You've got like a red. So I'd say this one's more pink or purple, I suppose. So red or pink, or pink or purple. Make it mind. I'd say red and purple or pinky there. And orange as well. So those are rather cool. And then we have some tufts of grass. This could be really helpful on the road and things. And between the rails in places as well. So that's really cool. Well, I must say between the rails, between the two different running tracks and the ballast in the middle. And speaking of ballast, there's this stuff, which is too big for ballast in my scale, just for point of reference. That's the stuff I use, that's the Kato ballast. But, these will allow me to do something I haven't done on here yet, which is, of course, there are rocks and things in nature, and I haven't represented those. So this is actually a really good opportunity for me to add some extra detail to the layout, all round really. But yeah, I wouldn't have thought to buy some bigger ballast pieces to use as rocks and things. So yeah, amazing stuff. So yes, I'll get them on the layout. Then once they're all on, I'll once things have been added, I'll do the rest of the video and you can see where I put things. Right, see you in a minute. So there's some of the stones put in. They're currently drying. Obviously a lot of PVA drying here in a minute, so this is all work in progress. But I'll start there and pan over to the next bit. I've tried some of the yellow flowers here on that side of it, and some there. Moving around to the station, we've got the orange and red ones. And more peach colour, I suppose, aren't they, in that light? Carefully coming down here, we have the pink flowers there. Coming back, I've put one of the tufts in there between the buildings, hard to see there, and another one there at the edge of the post office. And then panning up, the two cherry blossoms here closest to the pagoda, they're the only two in shot now, are the two of the new ones there as well. So overall, I'm rather pleased, especially with the flowers and the cherry blossoms. I think that cherry blossoms are looking really nice. Trying to carefully pan so not making you feel too ill, hopefully. Or at all, in fact. But yes, please just splash the colour that they're sort of bringing to the layout there. Because even behind the fence there, you can see the pink of the flowers just coming through by the crossing. So yes, I'll add some more. Now the flowers and the grass tufts do have their own stickiness underneath, but just for a bit of safety, I've tried that with that one and the two yellow ones basically, and with the other ones I have put some PVA down first, and just as a bit of an experiment to see how it goes. The trees are done my normal way. But yes, all helping to bring it to life. And yes, once again, Thank you to Joel and family, much appreciated. And yes, I shall say, arigato gozaimasu. Sorry, try again. Arigato gozaimasu. There we are. I'll get there. And sayonara. Take care all. And always remember to have fun.